Hi guys, let's convert photo to pencil painting effect today. Follow these key combination below. Ctrl J to duplicate background layer. Ctrl Shift U to change color into black and white. Ctrl J again and Ctrl I to reverse it. Change blend mode from normal to color dodge. Filter, order, minimum. Set radius at 4 pixels to get the details of subject. Open blending options, hold Alt, click and drag black triangle to the right to split it into half. Create a layer mask to top layer, go to Filter, Noise, Add Noise, Amount 100%, Distribution, Uniform, then Confirm. Filter, Blur, Motion Blur, adjust the angle to 52 degrees and distance to 103 pixels. Put them into group and enjoy! If you like the tutorial, click to the YouTube link on our profile for learning more tips in the future. See ya!